Hi there, welcome to 1-2-Step. In this video, I am going to show you how to recover your Trustwallet account. But first, you need to know that if you lost the 12 secret phrase words, then there is no way to recover the account. Trustwallet would not be responsible for that. You have to create a new account. But I can show you how to recover those 12 phrase words. First, to do that, we need to open the Trustwallet. After opening the Trustwallet and logging in, you will see a wallet sign, which should be on the bottommost left corner. Press on that and click on Main Wallet. After doing that, there is an option called Show Secret Phrase. Click on that and type in your PIN. After doing that, click on those three options and press Continue. Now you will see your secret phrase. Make sure to write it down on a note or take screenshot and place it somewhere safe. So that was the process of recovering your 12 secret phrase. If you find this video useful, then make sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscription button and ring the notification button if you wish to get notification from our side. For now, thank you for watching.